Hello folks, this is Fred Livai, your instructor for the course, and in this video series we're going to talk about the Credit Repair Organizations Act, specifically dealing with Section 1679B, Prohibited Practices. So in general, no person may make any statement or counsel or advise any consumer to make any statement which is untrue or misleading, or which, upon the exercise of reasonable care, should be known by the credit repair organization, officer, employee, agent, or other person to be untrue or misleading, with respect to any consumer's credit worthiness, credit standing, or credit capacity. Now, what they're saying here is you don't want to try to lie in regards to what you're doing. So that's going to be a prohibited practice. Don't lie. Any consumer reporting agency is defined in Section 1681A, subsection F of this title, or B, any person, one, who has extended credit to the consumer, or two, to whom the consumer has applied or is applying for an extension of credit. Or two, make any statement or counsel or advise any consumer to make any statement, the intended effect of which is to alter the consumer's identification to prevent the display of the consumer's credit record, history, or rating for the purpose of concealing adverse information that is accurate and not obsolete. So what they're saying here is that you don't want to go ahead and lie. I mean, basically what they're telling you is never lie, always keep everything true, because using the laws of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, I mean, if they're reporting something that's not true, it's not accurate, it's not verifiable, then you have a grounds to dispute. So you just don't want to let your client know that you want them to do something. You don't want to alter any type of information that may um, prevent the information from being seen. So that's what they're saying here in this section. Any person reporting, any consumer reporting agency, or B, any person who has extended credit to the consumer, or two, to whom the consumer has applied or is applying for an extension of credit. Three, make or use any untrue or misleading representation of the services of a credit repair organization, or four, engage directly or indirectly in any act, practice, or course of business that constitutes or results in the commission of or an attempt to commit a fraud or deception on any person in connection with the offer or sale of the services of the credit repair organization. So basically, just keep your things on the up and up. Just, don't make any lies. I keep repeating, don't lie, don't lie, don't lie, because anytime that you do so, you put yourself and your company at risk. So just keep that in the back of your mind at all times. And B, payment in advance. So no credit repair organization may charge or receive any money or other valuable consideration for the performance of any service which the credit repair organization has agreed to perform for any consumer before such service is fully performed. So what they're saying here is don't ask for money up front. Plain and simple. Uh, there's so many people out there who are doing credit repair. They're scamming clients, telling them to pay $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 up front. They do a little bit of work and then run when they're not able to complete their services. So basically, what they're saying, you say you're going to do something, do it, then go ahead and you're okay to charge your client. So with that being said, that's going to go ahead and wrap up this little short series.